Efe dey live for Benin and she come dey reason how she go take reach Lagos, Abuja, Enugu or Port Harcourt wey transport no go too chop im money. Now we introduce Gomywayride. With Gomywayride, you fit travel with person wey get empty seat for im motor and wey dey go the same way where you dey go for small money. To book your seat for Gomywayride no hard at all. Drivers go just put their empty seat for our platform and you go just make payment online with your debit card to reserve your seat. No worry, we go collect your money, come send am to the driver after your journey complete. Because all Gomywayride members dey rated and verified. You go fit travel safely and you fit even choose the people wey you wan follow travel. You go even fit see the motor wey go carry you travel and the driver wey wan carry you. Gomywayride don dey waka since 2019 and members don boku. Our mission na to make travel very easy, social, cheap and sustainable for everybody wey dey Naija and abroad. Make una join Gomywayride. Sign up na free.